We'll be mounting this one to my A6500. SmallRig do this style for many different makes and models, and to me it's the best accessory for my camera. Here you can see I've mounted an Arca-Swiss clamp to my tripod, so I can easily mount the L bracket to it. And here you can also mount onto the left hand side of the bracket, or you can choose to remove this section with the 2 screws if you'd like to. On the left hand side of the L bracket you have 4 1/4" threads, allowing you to mount on more accessories, or if you don't want this part you can remove it from the 2 screws. You'll see at the bottom in the middle of the plate you have a 1/4" and a 3/8" thread to mount to more accessories. And when accessing the ports on the left hand side of your camera, you can see the door can easily open and it's protected by the left hand side of the bracket. Now the original colour of the grip is this brown colour. After a while of using it like this I wanted to change it. This is what the bracket looks like without the grip, which I find is still quite comfortable, and it gives your little finger somewhere to go, but it does feel smoother with the grip. I first put on a primer and then I sprayed on a silver. After using it like that for a while, I decided to then spray it black. Then I decided to spray it gold, and I had the idea to draw on the Union Jack flag, which could have been done better, but this was my attempt. Thanks for watching. I'll leave links and information in the description below. Subscribe and like, and I'll see you in the next one.